YouTube, what's good? Vinny here. Thanks for checking out the channel. And today we're going to be talking about why don't some women love men with dreads. Intro. Welcome back everybody, man. How's your day going, man? I am so excited to talk about this, man. And I just couldn't wait to check. I just couldn't wait to record it right now for you guys. And the question is, why don't some women love men with dreads, okay? And honestly, it's just their preference, okay? Don't get so butthurt about it if she doesn't like you because you have dreads, or she doesn't want to date you, she doesn't want to talk to you, you have dreads. Yo, it is what it is, man. Like, I don't really, it shouldn't matter to you. It doesn't matter to me because I'm like, alright, there's plenty more other women out here. I'm not worried about just you, girl. Like, don't be so focused and butthurt over one woman. Like, yeah, she made me bad or whatever, but it is what it is. Like, in the end, you gotta think about it. Alright, I'm not gonna be everybody's flavor. There's so many different flavors out there. You go to Baskin Robbins, there's 32 motherfreaking flavors out there. You think I'm gonna be stuck with one flavor? Like, nah, I'm good. If they run out of Rocky Road ice cream one day, or they run out of my personal favorite strawberry cheesecake ice cream that one day, I'm gonna be like, alright, that's cool. That's cool. There's other more flavors, and that's how you gotta see it, how women are perceiving you. Like, alright, maybe she just doesn't like a guy with long hair. Maybe she thinks that person is feminine. You know, it is what it is. Maybe she doesn't like the way how your dreads look. Maybe she associates dreads with being a thug or being a gangster. It doesn't matter. It is what it is. There's so many reasons why women just don't appreciate men with dreads. And it is what it is. Maybe she likes a man with a nice low-cut fade or nice 360 waves going on, man. Like, it is what it is, you know? Like, but you can't knock that shit at all. You just can't. So, I mean, at the end of the day, it is what it is. Don't be so butthurt, oh, she doesn't like my dreads, she doesn't know how long it is. Man, forget all that. Your dreads are great, man. Keep that mentality, keep your confidence up, man. It doesn't matter if your girl's like this, if your girl doesn't like black guys and like white guys, doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it's her preference. And she's allowed to just have that opinion about you, you know? But it doesn't mean it is what it is. You don't gotta be a thug to get dreads. You don't have to be dirty because you have dreads. You can keep your dreads nice and up and professional and clean, and she might still not give a damn about you. And then you're gonna be feeling dumb when you cut your hair and like, oh man, please, I cut my hair, would you like me now? And she might still say, nah, nigga. And you're gonna be looking dumb like, damn. Like, yo, that's why I keep saying, like, at the end of the day, it's really her preference, okay? Women, there's some women out there who just don't love dreads. That's not the type of woman you want to be with, okay? And because there's a lot more other women who do appreciate dreads, and those are the type of women that you want to be with. Don't get so stuck trying to be perfect for another woman, man. Trust me, you know, that's a woman's job. Women will go out there and get their nails done, get their hair done, get their makeup done to look good for other men. Nah, you look good for you. Forget what they think, man. There's just going to be some woman that just doesn't like dreads. It is what it is, you know? I'm not a woman, I can't really say why, but you know, I do know from thinking like a woman, you know, or just, I do know that some women just don't appreciate dreads, and if they don't, it is what it is. Like, forget it. Don't be so butthurt about it, you know? But you love your dreads because there's so many other women out there that's gonna love dreads, okay? Guys, I told you I was gonna make this quick. There's gonna be women that doesn't appreciate your dreads. There's gonna be women that doesn't like dreads because they think it's too small, too long, think you're doing too much maintenance with your hair, that you can't, all you care about your hair. Forget all that, doesn't even matter. Keep it moving, okay? Just keep it moving. Take my advice, guys. I learned this through experience, okay? There's been plenty of times I've been trying to talk to a woman, but they didn't like me because of my hair. I'm like, alright, whatever. I don't care. I'm not gonna sit here and just go back and forth about it. That's a feminine mentality. That's a feminine attitude. I'm like, you know, whatever. Cool. Back. And then when they see me in my Instagram pictures, they say, oh, how my hair's nicely done. They be the first one to like my pictures. I'm like, oh, I thought you didn't like a player, man. Block, unfollow, doesn't matter, man. Doesn't even matter, man. Keep doing you, keep growing your dreads. This is your journey. Keep your confidence up, keep your self-esteem going. Trust me, you'll be where you want to be. Go for your goals, guys. Stop worrying about the opinions of other women or other people. Yo, do your thing. Keep it moving with your life. And that's it, man. So I told you I was going to keep it short, keep it nice and sweet for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the video. This is Vinny Matthews, and I'm out.